Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you the best screen recorder for your iPhone or iPad. All the links for everything I cover in this video you can find in the description box below. When it comes to screen recorder, there are a lot of applications in the Play Store. Today we are not going to use any of those. For this video, we are going to use the built-in screen recorder that comes with the latest iOS devices. Now let's switch to my phone and I'll show you how to use it. If this is your first time, you have to create a shortcut through the control center. So let's go ahead and do that first. Go to the settings, control center, scroll down until you find screen recording. Here it is. Click on this plus sign to add it to your control center. If you scroll up, under the included controls, you can see that right here at the bottom you have screen recording. Go back to your home screen. From the bottom of your home screen, swipe up to access the control center. If you're using iPhone 10 or later, from the right hand side, swipe down to access the control center. You will find here the screen record icon, this one here. If you just want to record your screen, click on the icon to start the process. You will see the icon counting down, and when it finishes, it will start recording. If you also want to record your microphone, long press on the icon and this will bring up the screen recording options. Here, if you want to record your microphone, tap on the microphone to switch it on or type again to switch it off. At this box, you have the option to select the place you want to save your screen recordings. In my case, I have mine set here to photos, but if you scroll down, you'll see that there are a lot of other options. From here, to start the recording, you just have to click on Start Recording. You will see a counting down, and when it finishes, the recording will start. You can go back to your home screen and start doing what you want to record. To stop the recording, on your phone, click on this top red bar. You will get this box of information asking if you really want to stop your recording. Click on Stop if you really want to stop it. Now, if you go to your Photos app, you will find your screen recording right here at the bottom, and it should be the last one here on your Photos app. There you go guys, this is how you use the built-in screen recorder on your iPhone or iPad. If you found value in this video, don't forget, give it a like and share it. As always, if you are new to the channel, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.